In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense categories in QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances efficiently is crucial, and categorizing expenses can play a pivotal role in keeping things organized. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the details and get you set up with expense categories quickly and easily. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks account. If you haven't already, navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login page where you can access all your QuickBooks functionalities. Once you've navigated to the Sign In page, choose QuickBooks Online as your service option. It's important to select the correct service so you have access to the specific features available for QuickBooks Online users, which are tailored to offer a comprehensive range of tools for managing your accounts. Now go ahead and enter your credentials, your username and password, and then hit continue. If you have multiple accounts under a single email address, you might be prompted to select which account you'd like to access. Just make sure you're logging into the right account you want to manage for this particular task. After successfully logging in, your next step is to go to the Expenses section. You can do this by looking for a menu option labeled Expenses, or by simply clicking on the following link to Expenses. This section is where you'll manage all expense-related activities, including adding and categorizing expenses. Once you're in the Expenses section, look for another Expenses option and click on it. It might sound repetitive, but this step ensures you're precisely in the section where you'll have the full overview of your expenses and can make the necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the correct place, spot the gear icon, usually located at the right side of the page. Clicking this gear icon opens up a variety of settings and customization options. It's a handy tool that gives you a bit more control over how your financial data is displayed and managed within QuickBooks. From the options available after clicking the gear icon, find the option to customize your view. To add new categories to your expenses, check the box for category. This will enable you to start organizing your transactions under specific categories that best describe each expense. Categories can help provide clarity and insights into your spending habits. By following these steps, you've now added the ability to categorize your expenses in QuickBooks Online. It's a small task that can have a big impact on managing your finances. Thank you for joining this quick tutorial. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional guidance on using QuickBooks for your financial management.